Welcome to this week's video and what I believe is the first singular packed BUNC coin for 2021 video that I've done, and I'm really excited to get into it actually, and love the fact that it's a 50p coin, my favourite of the coins. There it is. This is the 50th anniversary of Decimal Day, the 50p, and this is how it's arrived. It's a continuation of the new packaging from the Royal Mint, and that is the back, but we'll get into this information as we go along. What I'm going to do is my usual thing is just open it up so we can have a look inside and you can see all the information. And there we go, with the packaging taken away. Lovely presentation. I love this green colour here, looks awesome. And yeah, all the usual stuff on the back like we've already seen, but we will get into that. So let's have a look at the information inside. So why change? Decimal Day was a milestone moment in the United Kingdom's coinage story. Changing the nation's currency was an important part of modernising Britain to bring it in line with other nations around the world. It was a huge undertaking from the Royal Mint and remains one of our greatest challenges and successes. People were fond of the pre-decimal coins, and news of such momentous change naturally caused concern. Decimalisation took place in February of 1971, but 5 years of careful preparation took place, with the changes to come explained by leaflets, posters and television transmissions. And then what we have there is these really cool images showing off the old currency. And there we have it. That is the coins that took over. And if you want to have a read about those individual coins, then of course, as usual, feel free to pause it and have a read at your own pace. And then of course you can also have a read of this information, and you'll have to actually forgive the fact that the Royal Mint have put the design for 2020 on what is obviously a 2021 coin. So a bit of oversight there, but it is what it is. Probably makes this presentation a little bit more unique. And then of course we've got some information about the new portrait, which was designed by Arnold Machin. The anniversary of decimalisation has been celebrated with a new official United Kingdom coin, a 50p for 50 years. Its intriguing design was created by Royal Mint graphic designer Dominique Evans and features the much-loved pre-decimal coins, taking us back to an important moment for the UK and its coinage. So let's quickly check out the coin specs before checking out the coin itself. So of course it's a 50p coin, the alloy is cupronickel, the weight is 8 grams, diameter 27.30mm, obverse designer Jerry Clark, reverse designer Dominique Evans, and the quality is brilliant uncirculated. And then as usual we'll start off with the obverse of the coin, 2021, Jodie Clark's 5th portrait of the Queen. I'm really glad that they decided not to put the Arnold Machin coin or the obverse of Arnold Machin's coin into the BUNC packs. Just makes the annual set coin that much more unique, which I think is really cool. And there we have it, 1971 Decimal Day. And a lot of people are a bit frustrated that not all of the coins managed to get onto this one coin, but I still think it's a beautiful design. It's definitely not my favourite of the 250p's that we've seen so far this year, but yeah, it is a fantastic design. And I did actually see this image that the Royal Mint put out where they had the older coins actually underlying underneath, so you could see how they all crossed over. Really, really nice. Fantastic 50p coin, and what a great piece of history. So there we have it. That is the Decimal Day 50p coin from the Royal Mint for 2021. And what a great start to the coin collecting year ahead. So let me know in the comment section below, did you buy this? Did you get it like this in the BUNC pack? Or did you maybe get the one in the annual set so that you got the Arnold Machin obverse? Or did you get any of the special proof editions? Let me know in the comment section below because it always interests me. If you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button because I release new coin content weekly. Thanks for watching.